how much should you actually spend on a Kegerator? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Barking Quick Connect Kegerator Cleaning Kit. The Barking Quick Connect Kegerator Cleaning Kit caught my eye immediately with its promise of effortless cleaning, and at just $49.99, it's pretty affordable. If you want to keep your beer lines fresh without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cleaning your beer lines is crucial to maintain that fresh taste you love. The Quick Connect system means you can clean your lines as easily as changing a keg, which is a game changer for anyone who brews at home. With a 4.5-star rating from over 539 reviews, it's clearly resonating with users. The bottom-up cleaning approach prevents air gaps, so you get a more thorough clean without any of the old struggles. It works with both standard and homebrew kegs, so versatility is there. Now, some people complained about the cleaning solution packets being a bit small, which can lead to a few extra purchases. Here's the thing though, for the quality of clean you get, it's worth a minor inconvenience to ensure that crisp, fresh taste. This is perfect for you if you're a home brewer who wants to keep things clean without too much fuss. Skip this one if you're not serious about maintaining your beer lines or don't want to invest in your brewing setup. It's a solid value for the price, especially for those who want great tasting beer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your bar clean. Product number 2, BARWRKS Stainless Steel Kegerator Drip Tray. The BARWRKS Stainless Steel Kegerator Drip Tray is another great find at just $29.99. Its sleek design really adds a touch of elegance to your home bar setup. If you want to keep your bar clean without sacrificing style, this is definitely worth a look. This drip tray catches any spills or drips from your beer tap, keeping your countertop looking tidy. Plus, with a 4.7-star rating from 312 reviews, it's proven its worth. The anti-slip rubber pads ensure it won't slide around while you're pouring, which is a huge plus when you're in the middle of a party. The removable cover makes cleaning a breeze, so you can spend more time enjoying your drinks and less time scrubbing. Now, some users reported that the tray is a bit smaller than expected. But here's the thing, it's designed to fit most standard Kegerators, and its compact size actually makes it easier to manage in tight spaces, which might be a lifesaver if you're short on counter area. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and practical addition to your Kegerator. Skip this one if you have a larger setup and need a more extensive solution. For under $30, it's a steal that helps maintain a clean bar. Now, if keeping your bar tidy with elegance is essential to you, the next product might surprise you with its complete beer tap kit. Product number 3, BACOENG 1-Tap Kegerator Kit. The BACOENG 1-Tap Kegerator Kit is an essential for anyone serious about their beer. Priced at $119.99, it combines functionality with quality. If you're looking for a complete beer tap solution for your home bar, take a closer look. Its D-System keg coupler is designed for all domestic brand American kegs, making it versatile for your brewing needs. The chrome beer faucet is not just stylish but also functional, ensuring smooth pouring every time. With a 4.1-star rating from 190 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate the quality. Now, some users have mentioned that the instructions could be clearer, which might frustrate beginners. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the kit pays off with its reliability and ease of use. It's worth a little patience, especially for those who want to get the most from their kegs. This is perfect for you if you're setting up a dedicated home bar and want everything you need in one kit. Skip this one if you primarily drink from cans or bottles. For the price, it's a good investment for serious beer enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one is a unique twist on how you can enjoy your brews. Product number 4, TMCRAFT 128 Oz Growler Tap System. The TMCRAFT 128 Oz Growler Tap System brings something different to the table at $99.99. It's portable and designed to keep your beer fresh for longer. If you're into taking your brews on the go, this is worth checking out. The food-grade stainless steel ensures that your beer tastes just as good as when you poured it. It even comes with an upgraded regulator for fine-tuning carbonation. With a 4.5-star rating from 360 reviews, users appreciate how it keeps their beverages tasting fresh. Some users did find the CO2 cartridges a bit tricky to install. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, enjoying a fresh pour anywhere becomes worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you love craft beer and want something portable for parties or picnics. Skip this one if you usually drink beer at home and don't need a mini keg. For the price, you get a unique way to enjoy your favorite brews. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more substantial that can handle 2 kegs, the next product will definitely pique your interest. Product number 5, EdgeStar KC2000 SSDWIN Dual Tap Kegerator. The EdgeStar KC2000 SSDWIN Dual Tap Kegerator is the big player on our list, priced at $829. If you want a serious kegerator that can handle 2 kegs simultaneously, this is an investment worth considering. With a capacity of 4.9 cubic feet, it allows you to serve multiple types of beer at once. It has a 4.4-star rating from 746 reviews, proving it's popular among home bar enthusiasts. The ability to dispense 2 kegs at once means you can keep your guests happy without the hassle of frequent keg changes. Now, some users found it bulky and challenging to fit in small spaces. But honestly, if you're serious about hosting and want a comprehensive kegerator, the size is a small price to pay for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining and want a high-quality kegerator that can handle your beer needs. Skip this one if you have limited space in your home. It's a significant investment, but for the right user, it's totally worth it. To wrap things up, we've looked at some fantastic options today. The Bar King cleaning kit is great for upkeep. The BARWORKS drip tray keeps your bar neat. The BACONG kit is perfect for tap enthusiasts. The TMCRAFT growler is great for portability, and the EdgeStar is ideal for serious hosts. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best. To wrap things up, we've looked at some fantastic options today. The Bar King cleaning kit is great for upkeep. The BARWORKS drip tray keeps your bar neat. The BACONG kit is perfect for tap enthusiasts. The TMCRAFT growler is great for portability, and the EdgeStar is ideal for serious hosts. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.